God promised Abraham that he would not destroy Sodom if he could find just 10 righteous men. I have a feeling that for Germany, it may come down to one.
I am involved in high treason with all means available to me. Can I count you in?
For anything, sir. Anything at all.
Anything is a very dangerous word, Lieutenant.
We have to show the world that not all of us will like him. Otherwise, this will always be Hitler's Germany.
We have to kill Hitler.
I thought a man of your background would suggest a more honorable approach.
Word war. Action is inevitable, as are the consequences.
It's not enough to kill Hitler.
Why remove a madman, just have a lunatic take his place?
We have to isolate his chain of command and cut them off from the outside world.
The army swore an oath that won't just die with Hitler.
Then find a way.
Valkyrie, what are you suggesting?
Operation Valkyrie is Hitler's contingency plan in a national emergency.
Hitler's own reserve army, using Hitler's own plan, will think they're fighting for Hitler's government. The army will never know they're part of a coup.
When the SS catch you, they will pull you apart like warm bread.
This is going to happen. Only God can judge us now.
He's learned it.
I say do it.
Let's begin.
Initiate Operation Valkyrie.
This is the most important day of your lives. God willing, we can save Europe from total destruction.
You are under arrest for crimes against the state.
We've been discovered. If you want to live through the night, you will do exactly as I say. If I fail, they'll come for you. They'll come for all of you.
I know.
You scared me half to death.
We'll be closer than that before we're finished.